There are two things that stop your business from growing. So number one is you working really hard. And I know you're gonna say, what? I thought hard work is gonna get me where I want. All those messages are coming at me how I need to work harder. No, you need to work smarter, but not harder. And too often, many business owners, they work so hard every single day until they are so tired that they don't have time to think. It's thinking harder that is gonna grow your business, not working harder. In other words, it's thinking bigger that will take your business to the next level. So how you stop working harder? Well, there is two things you can do. Number one, you need to replace yourself. There are too many operational tasks that you are probably performing out of habit, whether it's customer service, whether it's sales, whether it's dealing with your employees, where you don't really need to do that. And see if you can set some business systems up. Setting some business systems up frees your time and other people can perform those tasks as well. Replacing yourself and setting business systems up in your business actually gives you more time, more free time to look at your business from a different level. So in other words, you can take a step back or take maybe a helicopter view over your business and you can start thinking, how do I grow my business? What do I need to do? So instead of working in your business, you start working on your business. And what is the first step in developing your business growth mentality? You can actually discover that in this video right here. So once you replaced yourself, once you delegated some tasks, and in the beginning it might be difficult because you are so used that you are the best person in your business to do that. Just take a leap of faith, believe in people you hired. They're brilliant, okay? If you will believe that people you hired are brilliant, they will prove themselves to be brilliant, and set some business systems up. So once you do those two things, you actually have time to take a step back and you have more time to look at your business from a different angle, meaning you can take a helicopter view over your business and think, what are the things I need to do to grow my business? Because you're not too busy anymore by performing all those tasks until you fall asleep, right? Okay, so you actually have time to think about it. Growing your business doesn't have to be difficult, and it is definitely not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Replace yourself, set some business systems up, and then you can become that visionary business CEO that you are meant to be. You started your business because you probably had that idea that you can help your clients in one or another way, but somewhere on the way you became so busy running your business and performing all those tasks because nobody else can do better than you, that you just didn't have time to think about growing your business. Growing your business isn't hard. Taking it to the next level, it's easy once you know how to do that, and it starts with you. If you do need help on that, send me a message. I love helping business go to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye.